Lemon essential oil benefits with source. Benefits: relieves nausea, improves digestion, nourishes skin, may promote weight loss, helps purify the body, boosts oral health, relieves cough and stimulates lymphatic drainage, works as antimicrobial agent, may work as anti-tumor agent. Now Foods, Essential Oils, Lemon Review. Description: 100% pure. Citrus lemon. Purity tested, quality assured. Suggested use: Cheer Up Buttercup Blend, for aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with a carrier oil such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Other ingredients: 100% pure lemon oil. Warnings: natural essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with care. Caution: keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If pregnant or lactating, consult your healthcare practitioner before using. Do not use on skin. React strongly to sunlight and other sources of ultraviolet light. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.